Hi, Gary Owens here. In the next 30 minutes, we're going to look at a subject that is dear and near to so many people. Whether you're young or old, or whether you like fact or fantasy. It could be as small as a chicken, or it could be as large as a condo. Let's find out a little bit more about this topic now with our roving reporter, Eric Boardman. Eric?
Hi, Gare. Well, where do we start?
Not where, when?
When? I thought we were going to start now.
Well, not really now. 150 million years ago. Bye, Eric. It's hard to believe that there really was a time when the Earth was teeming with dinosaurs. Imagine the ground shuddering under a herd of stampeding brontosaurs, the sky darkened with soaring pterosaurs, and the oceans churning with primeval beasts. Luckily for us dinosaur lovers, ways have been found to bring that world to life. Hollywood has always had a love affair with the dinosaur. And movies may be the only chance we have to discover what it was really like back there.